Parrots, vibrant and intelligent birds, stand out for their remarkable mimicry skills. Some species, like the African gray parrot, can imitate human speech with astonishing accuracy, showcasing cognitive abilities akin to a 5-year-old child. Possessing zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward and 2 backward, parrots exhibit exceptional dexterity, aiding them in climbing, grasping, and manipulating objects. These social birds form strong bonds with their human companions and fellow parrots, displaying a need for interaction and mental stimulation. Some parrot species, such as the kea from New Zealand, demonstrate problem-solving skills, utilizing tools and exhibiting a playful, curious nature. Despite their popularity as pets, conservation efforts focus on protecting wild parrot populations facing habitat loss and illegal trade.